Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we are cleaning the interior of the Mustang. It is much needed, and we are using a product from Shine Armor today. This is their interior cleaner. It's for use on plastics, vinyls, and leathers, so all of those materials the Mustang possesses. So I'm excited to try this out. Shine Armor, thank you for sending it my way. Before we get started, I just want to make sure everyone's aware of the giveaway I have going on the channel. We are almost to 2,000 subscribers. Do you guys believe it? 2,000.
I can't believe you.
Been on YouTube for a little over a year and a half. We're almost at 2,000. And once we are there, I am picking one lucky subscriber to win a $100 gift card. And that's to either American Muscle, CJ Pony Parts, or Amazon, because you can find something you want on Amazon. If you don't have a Mustang or you just don't want to buy from the other two, that's completely fine. So once we reach 2,000 subscribers, I'll be picking that winner. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you're subscribed. Anyways, let's go test this out on the Mustang, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, so this is the driver's side door on the Mustang. You guys have probably already gathered that, but I'm here with that Shine Armor interior cleaner. Now, the cool part about this one is it's actually supposed to be a non-greasy matte finish that you'll get once you wipe it all down. And just to be honest, I'm not a fan of kind of like the Armor All greasy products, which leaves everything with like a film over it. I like to have the interior looking clean, but not like super glossy and greasy. So we're gonna see if this product actually lives up to that. First things first though, honestly, when I was putting the container together here, it smells awesome. It smells like, I don't know, like some sort of citrus starburst kind of thing. So, you know, I mean, not on the, you know, you want it to clean the best, right? But a good smell is good to have, good trait. But anyways, we're gonna start by cleaning this door down. The car is pretty filthy on the inside here. It hasn't been cleaned for a while. And we're just gonna start by spraying into the towel itself. When you're cleaning your interior, just a quick tip, don't ever spray onto the surface itself. Make sure you spray into the towel first and then wipe the car down. Just because, especially if you're nearing like the gauge cluster and things like that, you just don't want to get any product where it shouldn't be, right? And if you spray it in the towel, you know where that product's going. So, quick tip of the day for you. So, let's get started here. So I'm gonna pump it up a little bit into the towel itself, and I'm just gonna start wiping it down, guys. Nothing too crazy here. And I'm just gonna hit everything with it once. Looks like we're gonna need a little bit more product here. And so far, not sure if you can see it here, but it's not making everything super glossy, which is what I wanted, but it definitely is cleaning it, so. And I forgot to say, Shine Armor includes some microfiber towels with your purchase as well, so that's always kind of a nice little touch. Makes it a little easier. Yeah, it smells good, guys. You know, I know that's not like a, you know, a necessity with a cleaning product really in the car, but it's kind of nice to have. All right, guys, so there's some scuff marks right here, and I just want to see how this cleaner does with going over them. You know, I'm not expecting miracles here or anything, but let's see how it does. Pretty good for a first pass. Just to clean some of the dirt off. You know, you can't really get scratches out of here, and this is from hitting kind of the feet on these huge doors the Mustang has when you get in and out. But that is much better. And onto the seat. These are, this is the leather, the premium trim of the Mustang EcoBoost for 2018. So it does have the leather seats, and this says it can be used on leather, vinyl, things like that. So we're gonna see how it does in kind of cleaning these seats up. And it also says on the bottle here that it protects against kind of UV rays, things like that, which is pretty cool. A lot of these cleaners tend to do that now. But man, yeah, the smell of this is awesome. So I might just use this just because of that. Nice clean look and not super greasy. A lot of leather cleaners or conditioners will make your leather seats pretty greasy, and you have to wipe off with a microfiber after you're done. But this stuff actually looks like it goes on real easy, and you don't have to spend a whole lot of time on it, so I like that. All right, again, on the towel first, just in case you do anything and you overshoot the product. But cleaning the steering wheel here now. Now guys, on a side note, what are you guys thinking about the carbon fiber? I just did the vent kit in a previous video. If you want to check that out, click up here, but here they are. I have this one tilted a little bit, so it's not perfect, but yeah, that one's broken. Don't look at that. But I'm liking the look of the carbon fiber stuff, guys. Let me know if you guys want me to do more carbon fiber in the interior. I'm thinking I might have to do it. Now this will be interesting on the steering wheel because obviously you don't want this to get, you know, super slippery and greasy, because that's not going to be good for when you're driving. So that'll be interesting to see how this goes. So far, it goes on, you know, glossy, wet as any interior cleaner would, but it does dry matte. So far so good, guys. I'm comparing this product to the Griot's Garage product in my head here. Their interior cleaner is really good in my opinion, and that's what I use kind of as a go-to. But this might just take the, I don't know, take the cake here, because this is pretty good. Now on to the center console. But I know what you're all thinking. You're thinking, how about the dash, Tyler? Does it work the same on the dash as everything else in the car? Let me show you. It might. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. Here it is, live for everybody to see. And it does. And it dries matte. That's my favorite part about the product actually so far, because this is my first time kind of utilizing this myself. And yeah, that's nice. I really didn't want something that was gonna be glossy and whatever, and this is not. This is cool. It leaves a really nice sheen on everything, but it's not glossy, it just looks new. And that is what I like. All right. So that's gonna wrap up my review on the Shine Armor interior cleaner. Overall, guys, a couple last minute thoughts. I think it did pretty well. It definitely smells good. I've said that a bunch, but it's true. So if you guys buy this product, that's definitely a plus. But it also cleaned really well, and it left a matte finish. It wasn't super glossy, it wasn't super greasy. Those are all things that I kind of look for when I'm buying interior cleaner, and this one hits every single mark for me. So I'm gonna definitely be using this. If you guys wanna pick it up, I have a discount code that'll save you 20% off your order. All you have to do, go to shinearmor.com and type in Daily Driven discount code for 20% off. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I am doing a giveaway here, and I want you guys to get in on that. Free $100 gift card could be yours, picking it at 2,000 subs. We're almost there, guys. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like what you see, I hope you guys check out another one of my videos. And like always, we'll see you in the next one. You guys have a great day. Bye.